Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Serena. If you're not new, thank you for the continuous support on my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to do kind of like a get ready with me. I'm going to talk about kind of like what's been going on in Serena's world. And also talk about like goals and stuff, like what's going on with Serena. So I'm doing my brows with Browsings. It's like a brow powder. It comes with this really cool brush. It's in the shade 3. And anyway, so currently I'm waiting to hear back about getting my insurance license so I can sell insurance. And they said it will take like a week. This past week I was doing training for work and that was going good, I think. And I think I'll be hearing back on Monday about whether if I got my license or not. So it's really exciting. And yeah, really excited about that. And despite COVID, I went on a date with this guy and it went really well. I had another date that day and I just like didn't go on the date with like the second guy. And him and I have been talking and all that is just going really well. And so yeah, that's what's been going on in my world. Some goals of mine is to, I don't really have goals towards like my YouTube channel or my Instagram because I don't see it monetizing. I kind of just do it as like a hobby. It's just something I do for fun. And anyway, so that's kind of that. So I don't really have goals towards like my YouTube channel or anything. I mean, it'd be great to get like as many followers as I have on Instagram on YouTube. I have 2360 something followers on Instagram, so it'd be really cool to get that many followers on YouTube. Just because like I think the bigger your audience, the more likely you are to get like comments and likes on your videos. Oh, and I forgot to say, if you want, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below. Anyways, so that's my brows. I look good. And I'm gonna prime my eyelids. I'm gonna use a concealer by LA Girl. This is the Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer. This is in shade Porcelain. So I'm just gonna prime my eyelids with that. I hope everyone is doing good. I myself am doing pretty good. I've been feeling really happy lately, and I deal with mental health issues, so I've been feeling a lot more happy lately, which is really good. And I feel like I'm more stable. I take medications And yeah, I just feel more stable, which is really cool.
Are you live right now?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to use this Winky Luxe palette. It's the Kitten palette. It's a BoxyCharm palette. I don't think this is made anymore. And I'm going to go in and do a cool look, I guess. So anyways, yeah, I've been feeling more stable, which is really cool. I think my medications are actually working, which is actually awesome. And so anyway, my mental health, what I have is bipolar disorder. I have borderline personality disorder. I have anxiety, and I have what's called complex PTSD. And so, I take medications. I take a mood stabilizer and an antipsychotic, and I take an anti-anxiety. And that's kind of just how it is. And I always pause. I don't know why when I'm on my eyes. And anyway, so yeah, I've just been feeling a lot more stable lately, which is really cool. And I know I keep reiterating that, but like, it feels amazing to be like this stable. Yeah. Okay, and then, oh, I didn't even show. So I used this shade in my crease, and then I used this shade on my outer V and also in my crease. And I'm gonna use this shimmer with my finger. And just put it on the lid. So yeah, I'm really hoping I get my insurance license, because then that means I can make money. I'm technically, well, not really, but I was unemployed. And so that sucked. But I've been dealing with it as the best as I can. And yeah. And I'm using this shade right here on my inner corner and my brow bone. And now I'm gonna use mascara. This is Maybelline the Colossal Volume Express. I get really quiet when I do mascara. I like the smell of this mascara for some reason. Okay, now I'm going to prime my face with Smashbox, the original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. And a little bit goes a long way, so I just use like that much with my fingers because I'm a lazy person and I don't use a brush. So now that my face is primed, I am going to, what do I want to do? I'm going to use this one. This is the Amazonian Clay Full Coverage Foundation. It has broad spectrum SPF 15 sunscreen, and it's in the shade Fairly Light Beige. And this stuff, it literally a little bit goes a long way because it's so good, like with the coverage. And I'm using a generic beauty blender because I don't see myself spending $20 on a sponge or however much it is for the beauty blender. I think it's $20. I could be wrong. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. And I haven't done this before, but I've seen people do this and this. So I am going to try that. And then I'm gonna blend that out with the same sponge. Now I'm going to contour a little bit. And I'm going to use this shade in this Tarteist Pro Glow palette. I'm going to use this shade right here. And just lightly pat it on the skin. And then go in a little bit more to blend it out. Like that. And then I'm gonna go upwards onto the forehead and try to blend it out. I usually have troubles blending out this part. Don't know why. Just trying to warm up the face. Go in with the Beauty Blender. Like that. Okay. And now I'm going to use blush. I'm going to use, this is Makeup Revolution Blusher Reloaded in the shade Rose Kiss. And I'm going to use this angled blush brush. And I smile and blend it out, because we don't want like a harsh look. And another goal of mine is to pay off my car and trade it in for a Honda Civic. That's my goal. I currently have a Nissan Versa. I like it, but I wanna get a Honda. I've always wanted a Honda. And then I'm gonna go in with highlight. This is by Juvia's Place. It is the Tribe Highlighter Volume 3. And let me see here. I have a brush I like using. It's a Morphe brush, M510. Ooh, heck yeah, I like that subtle glow. And then I bring it up. This is kind of how I highlight my face. Highlight the nose. Another goal of mine is to move out of my parents' house. Okay, that's done. And then I'm going to do a lipstick. I kind of want something fun. So I'm going to use, this is NYX Line and Load in the shade Girl Please. I am not a clown. And that's fun. Okay. So this is the final look. What do you think? Okay. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to subscribe, like, and comment. And I hope you have a great day. Whatever it is, I hope it's great. And I'll see you all next time.